Ramkrishnari to all students. Today in this video we are going to see the just comparison of number, that means greater number, smaller number. By solving one example you have given, which is in the workbook, from the sixth topic, comparison of numbers. In generally we will see that. See here you have given that identify the biggest number in each petal and circle it. That means यहाँ पे फ्लावर दिया है, नंबर ऑफ पेटल्स आर देयर, पाकड़ी बोलते अपन. एंड यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द बिगेस्ट नंबर इन दिस पेटल एंड सर्कल दैट वन. एंड वन मोर थिंग यहाँ पे दी है, देन arrange these circle numbers in the ascending order. That means we learn in classroom from the textbook, but we have to think critically and arrange or use our knowledge in practically. Okay, see here in this petal the numbers are 8, 1, 15, 14 and 12. You have to identify the biggest number. In these 5 numbers, you have to identify the biggest number. Now, how you will find that? First, see here, 8 and 1 are the 1-digit number. And 12, 14 and 15 are the 2-digit number. That means 2-digit numbers are always greater than the 1-digit number. Now, in these 3 number, that means ये 3, 8 and 1 से greater है, ये confirm हो गए. Then see here, 12, 14, 15. See here at the tens place, here is 1, here is also 1 and here is also 1. 3 number के tens place पे 110. Now we will compare the digit at the ones place. Now see here 2, 4, 5. In the 2, 4 and 5, which number is greater? 5. Therefore the biggest number in this petal will be 1, 5, 15. You have to circle that number. That means in the first petal 15 number is the bigger number or biggest. Biggest means as there are the 5 numbers, in this which one is the biggest number. Okay, now in the second petal, see here 29 and 3. As we all know that 1-digit number is always smaller than the 2-digit number. That means in this 3 and 9 are the 1-digit number and 20 is the 2-digit number. That means 20 will be the biggest number, or also we call it as a greatest number. Okay. Now next, see here 10, 17, 1, 7, 8. In this 1, 7, 8 are the 1-digit number. Okay, now say me which numbers are remaining? 10 and 17. Now next step, how to compare these numbers? See the numbers at the tens place. यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 1 है. Now the both at the tens place numbers are same. Now we will compare the numbers at the digits at the place ones. Okay, now see here at this, in this number 7 is at the ones place and यहाँ पे 0 है. In 0 and 7 which one is greater? 7. Therefore the number 17 will be the biggest number or the greatest number. Now see here in the fourth petal numbers are 9, 5, 11. Now tell me which number will be the greater? 11, because it is 2-digit number. That means 2 अंक की संख्या. Okay, what we say? 2-digit number. 9 and 5 are the 1-digit number. Only one number is there. Okay, now so 11 is the biggest number in this. And now next, see 14, 4, 13, 2. You have to identify the biggest number. Therefore 4 and 2 are the 1-digit number. These are the smaller as compared to the 14 and 13. Now compare remaining 14 and 13. 1, 1, both are the same, which are at the tens place. Now see, ones place पे कौन से digits है? 4 and 3. Now in the 4 and 3, which one is greater? 4. Because as compared to 4 or 3, 4 is the greatest. That means 14 is the biggest number. Now next, in the sixth petal, the numbers are 7, 19, 13. 7 is one digit number. That means as compared to two digit number, 7 is smaller number. Now see here 13 and 19. 1, 1. At the tens place same digit is there. 1, 1. Now we are going to compare the 3 and 9 which are at the ones place. That means 3 and 9. In the 3 and the 9, which one is greatest or the biggest? 9. As for example, by using stick I will explain that you. Okay. सपोज यहाँ पे 9 है, यहाँ पे 3 है. नाउ सी हियर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is the 9 and 1, 2 and 3. Now see, as comparing this, where are the more number of sticks? That means 9. That means 9 is greater than 3. Therefore the 19 number is greater than the 13. That means biggest or the greatest. दोनों का मीनिंग सेम है. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट in the seventh petal, see here which numbers you have given? 10, 16, 2, 5. Now same it 2 and 5. Which are the numbers? One digit numbers. Now see here 10 and 16. As 1, 1, both at the tens place digits are the same. Now compare the digits at the tens place, ones place. 0 and 6. 0 means कुछ भी नहीं. And the 6. In the 0 and 6, which one is bigger? 6. Therefore, this number 16 is the biggest number. Okay. Now next, in the last petal, the numbers you have given 6, 10, 18, 17. 6 is, now say me, one digit or two digit number? Okay, one digit number. Now see here, these three numbers are the two digit number. 1, 1, 1. At the ones place 0, 8 and 7. As comparing with the 0, 8 and 7, which one is the biggest digit? 0, 8 and 7 में 8 is the biggest. Therefore which number will be the biggest number? 18 will be the biggest number. Now up to this we have identified the biggest number in each petal. Now next you have given that arrange these circled numbers. That means ये जो circle किया number है, we have to arrange this in ascending order. Okay. Now say me first the numbers 15, 20. Numbers you have given 15, 20. Next numbers are 17, 11. We will write here 17, 11. In the next petal 14, 19, 16. Now we will write here 14, 19 and 16 and last one is the 18. Therefore we will write here 18. Now we have to arrange these numbers which are the biggest number in the ascending order. Now see here, you have to arrange this number as per the ascending order. Now see here, ascending order and descending order. In simple example I will try to explain that. आप steps देखते हैं, that means जीना or staircase we call it. When we go from ground floor, okay, what we say? Suppose ground floor to first floor, what we say? First floor. We start from this ground level. Suppose we say that at 0. Next first step, second step, third step, fourth step. That means 1 or 0 is the smallest number. That means smallest number to the biggest number. This is nothing but the ascending order. Ascending order. Okay, from smallest number to the biggest number. Now similarly, when we come down from the first floor to the ground floor, first floor to the ground floor, when we come from the highest. That means suppose as here fourth step to the third step, next second, first and the 0. That means we start from the biggest number to the smallest number. That means biggest to smallest number. Okay, that is nothing but the descending order. In Marathi what we say, चढता क्रम आणि उतरता क्रम. चढता means smaller to biggest number and उतरता means in simple use your brain to give the logic. When ascending order is there, you have to start from the 0 to 1, that means smallest number to the biggest number, and when we go from in the descending order, from bigger to the smallest number. Now you have to write this number in the ascending number, that means smallest to the biggest number. Now see here, 150, 15, 20, 17, 11, 14, 19, 16, 18. In this 2 is the biggest, that will be the at the last. We have to see first the smallest number. Now 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. At the tens place there is in each number except this 20. There is one number. Now compare the digits at the ones place. Now see here, 5, 0, 7, 1, 4, 9, 6 and 8. In this 0, but at this 2, 0 is nothing but the biggest number, because the number of tens is 2, that it will be 0, it not will be come in the this counting. Now see here, we will compare only the numbers which has 1 at the tens place. Now see here, 5, 7, 1, 4, 9, 6 and 8. In this 1 is the smallest, that means 11 number will be the first. As 11 has gone, which numbers? These numbers are remaining. In this 5, 7, 4, 9, 6 and 8. 4 is the smallest. Therefore 11 के बाद 14 number आएगा. 14 भी हो गया. Then which numbers remaining? 15, 17, 19, 16 and 18. See here, 1, 5, 15 will be there. 15 हो गया. Then these numbers are remaining in 7, 9, 6 and 8. 6 is smallest, that means 16 number will be here. After that 17, 19 and 18. 17 will be there. Then 18. इसके बाद 19, and at the last biggest number which one will be? 20. This number will be at the last. Okay, this is nothing but the ascending order of the given biggest number. Okay, start from smallest number to the biggest number, and when we convert this number reverse, that will be the descending order of the number. In simply we have learn the comparison of numbers critically, that means more interesting. Usually you always write the ascending descending order, but from different than some another method of identifying the biggest number and arranging that biggest number in the ascending order. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any query or the question, you can write along with your parents' help in the comment box. I will try to explain that at my best level. Okay, thanks for watching this video.